Hi, I'm back. As I promised in my last video that I'll come back and install the wig. Because the first video I only just put it on me and just do the hair the way it was. So now I've come back. I'll try and style it and then see how it pans out. Like I was saying before, this hair is so beautiful. I'm very happy that I did buy this piece. It's one of the fake scalp hair. So I'm gonna try and put a side line. Hope that will fit me, because you can see you can put a line anywhere you want. Doesn't have to be the same line. It seems like it doesn't want to stay in place. Just see if I can sort of like bring it on the other side. See if it works. Oh yeah. You can open a line anywhere, because it's a fake scalp wig. It will just go anywhere you want it to be. Let me just put a bit of, I do use Vaseline. I don't use anything else. I use just the normal Vaseline just to make it lie flat on my parting. I'm not very particular about doing the complicated things, so I like things simple. Simplicity is the best. So I'll just make sure that this line just try and make it straighter. Make it straighter. I prefer the middle parting, but anyway, let's just make this video a different one. Just see. Like I said before, I didn't glue the wig. I want it to look as natural as possible. I didn't glue it. It has a bit of short hair, which I could, if I want to, make some baby hairs, but I don't like doing that. So I'm just gonna do some curls. Don't know if I'll be able to do it myself. Let me just try. I want the direction to go this way. Just see. I'm just gonna style it any one of the simplest. I'm just not gonna be too particular about how the curls are looking. I'm just gonna do so that it's just like a different style, but with the same wig. So So you can tell it's very easy to style. It's very easy to curl. So because I have to do this every morning when I'm going to work, so I need something that is simple, very simple, because sometimes I do start work early. 9 o'clock I'll be already in the office. Sometimes I get to the office around 8:30 or 8 o'clock or earlier, depending on how busy it is. So if I'm gonna be that early for work, I need something simple to style, and then I'm off. So this is working really well for me. I'm just happy with the wig. I don't have okay. No tangling. So you can see how good their wigs are. I mean, I would urge you guys to go and buy one of their hair pieces and just see it for yourself, not to be told on a YouTube channel. It would be helpful if you could just see it for yourself. I will not recommend you to buy anything that is not of good quality, because I like quality myself. I don't like cheap fake stuff. So I always try to look for good wigs that doesn't give me problems to style. So here we go. This was quicker than I thought. Thought it was going to be like maybe 10-15 minutes to do the curls, but you can see how easy it is, how easy, and you can actually feel the heat starting to come off the hair. For sure, when they said it's a premium wig, it is really a premium wig. This is just brilliant. This is just good. No stress, nothing. Just easy. And I'm gonna try and just put just not to bend myself on my forehead. Just about here on the front. Just use this for this one. I'm really not quite sure what I'm gonna do here, so let me just go this way. I've never done a wig review before, so you've got to bear with me. I'm used to doing my own stuff without no one watching, so probably I'm a bit nervous. So yes, this is it. You see, it doesn't shed at all. No shedding. Okay, let's put this curl on the back. Okay, that should do the trick. So doesn't look much different from the last style, but this is a bit more curlier than before. So I don't know what you think, guys, but I think this is a good wig. I think so far it's the best wig I've ever had, because it's very easy to maintain, very easy to style. Just do exactly what you want it to be like. You don't have to put too many sprays. In my previous video you saw me, I did put in some leave-in conditioner, so that's what is still in there. Okay, this is how it's looking now. Okay, I'm quite happy with this piece. Now, well done to Hannah's Hair Parlour. Thank you for hooking me up, and thank you for making me look nice. I'll be shining tomorrow, and on my way to work I won't be struggling with the hair in the morning, so this is quite good. You can tell, like I was telling you, that the fake scalp wig just took the same color as my scalp. I don't know what you think, guys. when I upload these videos, you can put your comments down and tell me what you think, and let's just support one another. This is another woman in business, so she needs our support, and we can buy wigs from her shop and just support her. That's it for me from me today. I'll say goodbye now.